Hi everybody, my name is Amber Willett, and this is my week 1 introduction video. Bear with me, I'm using Screencast-O-Matic and I've never used it before, so I hope I'm doing it right. So this week they want us to talk about where I'm from, how long I've been in the program. I've been in the program for about a year and I live near Augusta. I've never actually been to the UNE campus. I've been very fortunate to be able to do everything online. When I graduate, I'm going to be honest, I really don't know what my focus is going to be. I know I want to be a clinician of some sort. I'm really struggling to figure out where. I've had a lot of different experiences. Right now I'm a BHP/EdTech 3. I have my MERT-C, so I have quite a few different certifications. I'm also a dialectical behavior therapy instructor. And so I've done a lot of different things. I've worked in the emergency department, in the locked mental health unit. And what else? Let's see, I've done case management. I also this past semester interned with the National Association of Social Workers, and I'm continuing to do some work for them, which is great. I really enjoy the work. I love kind of the macro side of things. So, as far as leadership goes, I've experienced both really great leaders and not so great leaders. The really great leaders are people that I really wanted to work for, that I didn't particularly want to stop working for, that I worked my hardest for. The not so great leaders, really, I feel like those types of leaders put me in positions where I just didn't want to work my hardest or do my best, or I didn't feel appreciated or valued. So, the most positive experience that I've had with a supervisor is definitely my most recent NASW internship. The supervisor that I had, absolutely fabulous, was really interested in what my goals were and aligning my goals with NASW goals and kind of figuring out how we could put all that together to do stuff that I was interested in, but also that needed to get done. And as far as negative ones go, I've had quite a few experiences. Unfortunately, it's kind of hard to talk about some of them. So I'll just say that negative experiences with supervisors are really difficult, and I do struggle with feeling valued and appreciated in those types of circumstances. So this is week 1. Eager to see everybody else's videos. Have a great day, guys.